It's very interesting. If you look at the last 2 years, there has been a significant shift in the cloud market. Maybe go back, rewind 5 years. Every enterprise in the world was saying, hey, public cloud first, we are going to the public cloud. And there were a few enterprises that decided they wanted to modernize their own infrastructure at that time, but they did it by stitching together disparate technologies and trying to do a software-defined infrastructure within their companies. Both of those strategies really failed. And on the public cloud side, the skyrocketing costs of the public cloud, concerns about compliance and security, and on the DIY project side, talent was an issue. Customers were not seeing the TCO benefits that they expected, and the efficiency and the user experience did not match what they were expecting to get from their own implementation. And so, we were at a point a couple of years ago where customers were looking for a different approach, and many of them were saying, hey, we would like to have a platform approach to this. Give us a platform that will help us modernize the infrastructure and give a AWS-like experience to our developers. And so that's what VCF division set out to do. And earlier this year, we delivered VCF 9, and the interest and the demand has been through the roof. And it exceeded all our expectations. So we are very excited. The momentum is there. And the one thing I would say is, there was a recent survey that we did with many of the enterprises worldwide, just to kind of confirm what we are seeing. And a couple of things came out of it. 2 data points. Number one is that many of the customers, a majority of them, are talking about moving their workloads, some of their workloads, from public to private cloud. So that is a real thing that is happening now. And the second one is that you're seeing customers for the first time talk about new applications, cloud native applications being targeted for on-prem compared to the public cloud. In the past, it was all, hey, we are going to the public cloud for cloud native. That's no longer the case. So that's a huge shift in the market, and so the pendulum has swung for sure, but it didn't swing back to the legacy infrastructure. It swung back to the modern private cloud, right? Which is run all types of applications, public cloud-like experience to the developers, but the economics of on-prem. And that's really what is happening, and VCF 9 is the solution that enables customers to do that.